Hello everyone! Hi, I am Mark and welcome to MIGS Access TV. In this channel, I will be uploading some tutorials and how-tos related on my advocacy as an Access Tech Trainer or Assistive Technology Trainer. I will also share my personal hobbies, mga kalokohan at marami pang iba. My videos may contain informative contents to entertain, to give reactions, at kung ano-ano pa. I-click na ang subscribe button bago natin simulan ang ating first video. Let's go! Okay, so dito sa ating video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano tayo mag-navigate sa ating mga desktop or laptop using NVDA or Non-Visual Desktop Access. By the way, NVDA is a screen reader software application. So pag sinabi nating screen reader, basically it reads what's on our screen depending how we want to. Kadalasang gumagamit ng mga screen reader applications ay yung mga visually impaired nating kapatid or yung mga may kapansanan sa paningin. Simulan na natin. First of all, we need to install NVDA application. Madadownload natin siya sa nvaccess.org. Dito sa kanilang navigation bar, i-click lang natin ang download. And then, scroll tayo pababa, makikita natin dyan yung download button. Pero tignan natin dito sa itaas, meron siyang mga donation options na kung saan may mga choices tayo kung gusto nating mag-donate. Pero sa ngayon, skip donation muna tayo. Click lang natin ang download, automatically magda-download na siya. Bale, 24 MB lang naman yung app. Once done in downloading, proceed na tayo sa download folder. Double click natin ang nvda.exe and then click run. Then may maririnig tayong sounds and may lalabas na please wait, so wait lang tayo. After a few seconds, may lalabas na license agreement dialog box. Then click lang natin si I agree and then install NVDA to this computer. Dito naman sa install NVDA dialog box na to, may iseset natin ang behavior ng NVDA natin. So dito sa first checkbox is makikita natin use NVDA during sign-in. So pag naka-check siya, pag nag-start tayo ng computer, sa sign-in pa lang automatically mag-i-start na yung NVDA natin. Sa ating case ngayon, i-uncheck natin siya para i-start natin siya manually. And then dito sa second option, create desktop icon and shortcut key. I-check natin yan and then press continue. Please wait while NVDA is being installed. Wait lang tayo ng ilang segundo and then may mag-a-appear na dialog box na NVDA is successfully installed. So yan, press OK lang. And then, yeah, ready to use na ang ating NVDA. We have many ways on how to turn on or turn off our NVDA. Yung ipapakita natin ay ilan lamang dito. First, yung pinaka-regular na ginagawa natin, which is double click yung desktop icon. And then pwede rin natin siyang i-search dito sa search bar sa ibaba. Type lang natin NVDA. And our third way is gagamit tayo ng keyboard command. To do it, press natin si Ctrl plus Alt plus N.
Taskbar.
Kapag narinig natin yung sound na yan, yan yung key or sign na turn on na si NVDA natin. From now on, lahat ng matatapatan ng ating cursor or matatapatan ng ating mouse pointer ay i-announce ng ating screen reader. Para naman i-turn off ang NVDA, i-click lang natin itong system tray dito sa lower right ng ating screen. Right-click sa NVDA and then click Exit. Kapag gusto naman natin gamitin ang keyboard command, pwede nating i-press ang caps lock plus Q or insert plus Q.
Exit NVDA dialog. What would you like to do? Combo box exit collapsed alt plus. Okay.
That sound means our NVDA is turned off. Using keyboard, we can use the arrow keys to move our cursor.
Gold Wave 8 of 37. Audacity 1 of 37. Windows Movie Maker Free version 4 of 37. Camtasia 2018 9 of 37. Messenger 24 of. Microsoft Teams 29 of. Google Chrome 20. Team Talk Classic for X. PPSSPP Windows Dash Shortcut 20. Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition 25 of 37.
As you notice, all of the selected items are announced by our screen reader. We can also use Tab key on moving our cursor in different parts or different area of our screen.
Start button. Type here to search button. Talk to Cortana button. Task view button. Running applications toolbar. Magnifier -1 running window button sub-menu. Notification chevron button. Show desktop button. Folder view list. Sleeping Dogs Definitive Edition 25 of 37.
Pagsasamahin naman natin ngayon yung mga keys na nagamit natin. To enter the application, we can use enter key. And then kung gusto naman natin mag-activate ng buttons, we can press space bar. Sa mga susunod nating videos, ipapakita natin yung difference ng enter key at space bar.
Start button. Space. Start window. Search. All apps. Register. Virtual. Cisco. Adobe Photo. Taskbar. Folder view list. Desktop folder. Start button. Type here to search button. Talk to Cortana button. Task view button. Running applications toolbar. Magnifier -1 running. File Explorer -1. Camtasia 2000. OBS Studio -1 run. Magnifier -1 run. Notification chevron button. Space. Overflow notification area tool. Microsoft Teams button. NVDA button. Dell touchpad button. Notification chevron button. Show desktop button. Folder view list. Desktop folders 13 of 37.
At kung gusto naman nating patigilin ang NVDA natin sa pagsasalita, press lang natin ang control key. Okay, so dyan magtatapos ang first part ng ating video. Thank you and goodbye!